Hello.
Hello. Yeah.
Okay, so tell me about yourself and then the project you're working on. What's the project?
Okay. So my name is Arish.
Hmm.
I go to the amazing school, Harmony School of Science.
Mm-hmm.
Well, Harmony Science
You called it
Academy.
amazing. What do you
Yeah,
call?
it's a good
It's
school.
amazing.
It's a
It's
good.
good.
It's a good
Okay.
school.
Anyway.
And so I basically we're making a project where you have to make at least 3 planets of the solar system. So like you could make up to 8. And so I chose just to make the sun, the earth, and the moon. So here is the solar system project.
Wow.
As you can see, I used a lot of glitter.
Okay. So which one? Could you please stand up so you can just tell us something more about your project? So this looks like orange, the glitter one. What is that?
Basically, this is glitter glue.
No, I'm talking about this thing.
Oh, that is the sun.
Okay, that is the sun. Normally, people think yellow is the color that people think for the sun, but that's okay because since it's representing the hot and light
Fire.
emitting fire
Yeah.
emitting from this, so that's fine. So this is your sun, but Earth look close to the Earth that it should be because most of the Earth, like 70% of the Earth,
It's
consists
covered
of
in water.
water. Yeah, so you made it right. So this is blue and with waves. You did it so great.
Fun fact: sadly, only 3% of the Earth is freshwater.
Oh yeah. And what is this tiny little bright thing? Oh my god.
This is the beautiful, majestic moon.
Moon. Arish, you should get 100 out of 100 by making this moon because it literally real moon and wobble it, but it shouldn't wobble. It should just rotate in an orbit. It's wobbling anyway. So okay. So how does it work? How does the system work?
Basically, so the sun is the center of our solar system.
Okay.
So the Earth orbits the sun, and the Earth is like. So out of these 3 planets, relatively the Earth is like a medium-sized planet.
Okay.
The moon is, and fun fact, the moon is actually a piece of the Earth that was hit off of the Earth when an asteroid hit the Earth. So the Earth orbits the sun, and then the moon orbits the Earth. And another fun fact, I'm all about fun facts. And the moon actually controls our tides, our water tides, because the moon's gravity actually affects the water.
Wow.
And sometimes some effects on the moon can actually cause tsunamis.
Yeah, that had happened in the past. We had some severe experiences about that. Yeah, I know. So, how many planets are there in our solar system?
Well, most people think, most people would say 9, but they would actually be wrong.
Really?
It's actually 8 because Pluto is actually no longer counted a planet because Pluto is it's too small. So it's too small, and its orbit is a really weird orbit. It's supposed to be, usually it's a circle, but Pluto, it orbits in like an oval kind of shape. So basically, so Pluto's orbit actually overlaps with some other planets. But thankfully, Pluto and those other planets actually go at different speeds, so they're not going to collide with each other anytime soon.
So, basically, what you are saying that now we considered only 8 planets as planets.
Yeah.
So Pluto is no more in the planet
Actually,
list.
Pluto is now. They made a special category of planets for Pluto called a dwarf planet.
Okay, what does it mean?
Basically, it means it's a planet, but it's a special type of planet category where it's too small to be considered a planet, and it's too small to be considered a planet, and its orbit is kind of weird.
Okay, so could you please tell your audience that how did you make the material you used and the technique you used for your project?
One word: glitter.
Glitter. Okay, it's very easy. And how about those posts that your planets are hanging on?
So, the posts were actually the hard part. So I had to consult with my dad, and he kind of found out a way to kind of stabilize the planets. Because I know they're still a little wobbly, but before, all of them were literally falling down. So...
Okay, because normally I see what I observe in this kind of project, people just hang their planets with thread.
With a thread, yes.
Yeah.
The thread.
And you use the technique totally different, like you are just resting them on post, so which is a kind of a new idea to me. That looks awesome.
Thank you.
Okay. All right, Arish. So, you want to say any closing word to your audience about your planet project?
My closing word is glitter glue.
Glitter glue that make your project more, especially
sponsored by glitter glue.
Really, trust me, Arish, if I take the picture and post it, people might think that it's a real sun in the black background. It shines and glitter like real sun.
And the best part with glitter glue is the moon. The moon is supposed to reflect the light off of the sun.
Exactly.
And with this glitter glue, the glitter glue is reflective. So if you take a flashlight, it'll actually work the same as our moon.
I hear you. Yeah, definitely, you're right.
And since all the planets are in like a straight line, well, not in our solar system. They're kind of like a little rickety. But in my example, in my solar system, since all of them are aligned, you can also make a solar eclipse. It's when the sun...
Oh yeah, tell us about solar eclipse.
It's basically when the sun blocks the moon. Oh wait, no. It's when the Earth blocks the moon.
Earth blocks the moon.
Well, that was a science fail.
Yeah. Okay, no, that's okay.
So, like, in fact, if you actually look, this moon actually can block the moon. Can you look? If you kind of look at it from the right angle, it's blocking.
Yeah, it is. Okay, Arish, it was a nice project, and I'm gonna post this video on YouTube. All right, bye bye.